Good morning, students. I, Kumari Latesh, student teacher of B.Ed batch 2022-24, is going to discuss about human heart today. Student think if you work continuously for 24 hours and then next day also you have to work, what would happen? It looks weird, right? But do you know that there is one such organ present in our body that works continuously without any break? Can you name that organ? Yes, it's human heart. So today we'll discuss about human heart. आज दिल की बात करेंगे. First we'll see what basically heart is. Heart is a fist-sized organ that is present in our body, which is responsible for pumping blood throughout our body. It is basically a pumping organ. It is a primary organ which is present in our circulatory system. Okay, and the size of the heart is fist. Now we will discuss about the features of a heart. As I have told earlier that the heart size is roughly this, that is the size of your fist, or we can say that the average size of a heart is 14 centimeter long and 9 centimeter wide. The second feature of heart it is that it is present in the chest cavity with its lower tip or the apex slightly towards the left. Like it is present on the center or the chest cavity, but its lower part is slightly tilted towards the left. Okay. Next, we will discuss about the structure of human heart. How basically the human heart look like. The upper or the broader part of the heart is known as the base, and the lower or the pointed part of the heart is known as the apex, as I have told earlier also. So to understand the working of human heart, first we need to understand what arteries are, what veins are. Arteries are basically the blood vessels that carry oxygen rich blood, or we can say oxygenated blood, from the heart to the whole body. Similarly, veins are totally opposite of the arteries. They carry carbon dioxide rich blood from the whole body back to the heart. But there is a difference between pulmonary vein and pulmonary artery also. Artery carries oxygenated blood, whereas pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood. Similarly, veins carry deoxygenated blood, but pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood. Or we can say that pulmonary artery is the only artery that carries deoxygenated blood, and pulmonary vein is the only vein that carries oxygenated blood. So now we'll understand the working of human heart. For this, so we start from the left atrium, that is from this side. So the blood, or we can say the oxygenated blood from the lungs, enters through the pulmonary vein into the left atrium, and this is known as bicuspid valve. Through bicuspid valve from the left atrium, the blood enters into left ventricle, and this blood is not kept here. This blood is circulated to the whole body through aorta. Next, this blood reaches the whole body where it is used by the tissues or the cells. Then this oxygenated blood is again converted into deoxygenated blood. So again this oxygenated blood enters into the heart through superior vena cava and through inferior vena cava. The blood from the upper part of the body comes into the heart from superior vena cava, and the blood from the lower part of the body come into the heart through inferior vena cava. Okay, so the blood from the body reaches through the right atrium through superior vena cava or the inferior vena cava. It enters the right atrium, then through tricuspid valve it reaches the right ventricle. But this blood or the bad blood is not kept by the heart. It again goes to the lungs through pulmonary artery. So this was all the working of human heart. So if I have to describe the working of heart in the circulatory system, then it will be the oxygenated blood from the lungs reaches the heart. It first reaches the left atrium of the heart, then it reaches the left ventricle of the heart, Then from the left ventricle through aorta it goes to the organs where it is used by the cells or the tissues. Then from the body the blood again travels and it reaches the right atrium of the heart. Then through tricuspid valve it again reaches the right ventricle of the heart. Then this bad blood is not kept by the heart. It again travel to the lungs through pulmonary artery. This was all the working of heart, and I have described here the working of heart in a circulatory system. Hope you have understood. Thank you.